Welcome to Luxury Car TV, your ultimate destination for exploring the finest details of classic and luxury automobiles worldwide. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS is a powerful symbol of American muscle car heritage and performance innovation. As the second generation of the Camaro line, the 1970 model introduced a fresh design and an array of features that elevated its performance, style, and presence on the road. The RS-SS combination package was particularly special, merging the Rally Sport appearance upgrades with the Super Sport performance enhancements, making this version of the Camaro a rare and desirable collector's item today. The exterior of the 1970 Camaro RS-SS is a bold evolution from its predecessor. It showcases a long, low, and wide body with a more European-influenced design while still maintaining the aggressive stance that muscle cars are known for. The Rally Sport package added distinctive features such as a split front bumper, hidden headlamps that tuck away into a stylish front grille, revised parking lights, and unique RS badging. The clean body lines and sculpted fenders made it stand out among competitors in the muscle car segment. Under the hood, the Camaro SS models came with several engine options, offering serious muscle for enthusiasts. One of the most notable engines was the 396 cubic inch V8, producing up to 375 horsepower. This engine delivered robust acceleration and high-end performance, matched with a heavy-duty suspension system that supported aggressive driving. The SS package also included upgraded brakes and handling components to complement the car's increased power output. Transmission options included a 4-speed manual gearbox for those who loved a true driving experience and a 3-speed turbo hydraulic automatic transmission for drivers who preferred a smoother ride. With its powerful drivetrain, the 1970 Camaro RS SS offered an exhilarating drive, whether on a straightaway or hugging corners with confidence. The interior of the Camaro was driver-focused, with bucket seats providing both comfort and support during spirited driving. The dashboard layout was clean and functional, with easy-to-read gauges and simple controls. Depending on trim and options, interiors could be customized with wood grain accents, deluxe door panels, and center consoles, making the cabin feel both sporty and refined. Despite its muscle car nature, the RS SS had an element of luxury with attention to detail in materials and styling. This model also came with a range of comfort and convenience features for the time. Power steering and power brakes made maneuvering easier, especially with the added weight of the SS components. Air conditioning was available as an option, along with an AM/FM radio, rear defroster, and tilt steering column. Safety features, though basic by today's standards, included seat belts, a dual master cylinder braking system, and a solid steel frame construction for improved crash protection. One of the unique aspects of the RS SS package was that it catered to both the performance enthusiast and the style-conscious driver. The RS enhancements elevated the Camaro's visual appeal while the SS upgrades delivered genuine muscle performance. Combined, they created a balanced and iconic vehicle that remains a favorite among collectors and vintage car fans. From a performance standpoint, the 1970 Camaro SS with the big block engine could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 7 seconds, an impressive figure for the era. The quarter-mile time hovered around the mid-13-second range depending on the specific engine and gearing configuration. These numbers put it in line with or ahead of many of its competitors, reinforcing its status as a serious muscle machine. Today, the 1970 Camaro RS SS is highly sought after. Not only because of its power and design but also due to its limited production numbers and iconic status. Restored examples often command high prices at auctions and are popular among car show enthusiasts. The legacy of the RS SS package lives on as a testament to Chevrolet's ability to blend performance and style seamlessly into a single vehicle. Whether admired for its bold design, respected for its powerful engine options, or loved for its classic American spirit, the 1970 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS remains a standout among muscle cars. It captures the essence of an era where power, freedom, and individual style ruled the road, making it a timeless classic. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more iconic and luxury car content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more detailed reviews, historical insights, and amazing cars from the past and present straight to your screen.